Aloha, it's Tani here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make chocolate covered macadamia nuts. Chocolate covered macadamia nuts has always been a small traditional gift given to others. The macadamia nut is covered in creamy chocolate, giving it a rich, sweet taste. Here are the following ingredients. I'll be showing two different ways to make chocolate covered macadamia nuts. First, melt the chocolate chips in a glass bowl. Microwave the chocolate chips in 10-second intervals. Each time, make sure to give it a brief stir so it doesn't burn on the bottom. Keep nuking it until it has melted into a thick, cream-like texture. Pour the melted chocolate into a pastry bag to have full control on its shape. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and begin to form a rounded rectangle. Add on 2 macadamia nuts, then cover it with chocolate. Then go back with a rubber spatula and smooth or close any gap in the chocolate. The other type of chocolate candy is using a small cupcake paper. Cover the bottom with chocolate. And add a layer of chopped macadamia nuts and cover it up with more chocolate. Using a spatula, smooth out the top. One tip is when the nuts are being added on the chocolate, push it into the chocolate to integrate it well enough so the chocolate will form into one solid piece. Set it aside about an hour to let the chocolate harden. You'll know when the chocolate hardens when it begins to look more waxy and less shiny. Pop the chocolate off of the paper and begin to assemble a box of chocolate. Let your friends and family know how much you love them by giving this box of homemade chocolates. Guarantee they will love this onalicious chocolate-covered macadamia nuts. If you enjoy this recipe, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Mahalo!